If you write these goals down, they have an 80 chance of achieving them. So when you write something down, you are telling your brain that you mean it. Your personality is intricately linked to how you behave and how you perceive your emotions. It is directly intertwined with your unique personal experiences and the reality that you create for yourself. So then if you want to change your life, your personal reality, you've got to change your personality for your desires. To come to life, you ought to have the right intentions and also vibrate at the frequency of what you want. The universe acknowledges gratitude, which is why you should be grateful for what you have and what you are yet to receive. The universe is an electromagnetic field, and humans are essentially magnets. Therefore, our emotions, words, and thoughts will send certain energies to the universe. With the right mindset in action, you will inevitably receive great results. The universe is abundant. When you have a scarce mindset, you send an impression to the universe that you are undeserving of your desire. And no, a scarce mindset is not always related to a lack of money or financial ability. Scarce mindset can come from the fear of change, success, or uncertainty. Most times, it is an involuntary state of mind. You could have grown up in an environment where basic needs were rarely met, or suffered a financial loss which led you to limit your mind to the safest option. I should mention that the idea of safe is dangerous. You risk remaining in the same place, wishing and hoping for better. But nothing comes from a comfort zone. Manifesting requires you to also do your part. It is in acting like the person you want to become that your true desires come to fruition. For example, if you are manifesting a home or apartment, visualize and act as if you already own it. But what if you do not have the money? It is humanly impossible to not think negatively about a situation. Most times, we will obsess over the lack and limitations. However, when applying the law of manifestation, you are encouraged to focus on the positive and learn to process. Once it sounds delusional, but if your desire is a house, go house hunting. Pick a neighborhood you like and visualize yourself living in that house and let the universe do the rest. Most times we are taught to plan, save, and invest for a secure future. I am not against any of this, but it's good to make sure that you are not so attached to the outcome. There is no assurance that if you plan, everything will pan out as you thought. It will likewise if you create your intentions and leave them to the universe. Your desires will find you, but mostly not in the way you expected it to happen. Releasing the intended outcome will also help reevaluate your desire for you to be best aligned with it. Seeking alignment is another major part of manifestation. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. When it comes to manifestation, that one step is alignment. Alignment gives you the clarity of the what and the why you desire a particular thing. It will also prompt the mind into envisioning what you want with ease. Alignment gears your thoughts to consciously support your desire. You may wonder what happens if you fall out of alignment with your desire. Besides not being a vibrational match to your desire, you also send conflicting messages to the universe. Misalignment is a classic example of sending mixed signals. So when our actions and thoughts do not reflect our true identity, we are highly unlikely to get results. So what does writing your desires down have to do with it? Writing is powerful. When you imagine something, it becomes a thought, and from the thought, a desire is conceived. When you write it down on a journal or piece of paper, you tell your subconscious mind what thoughts should get the most priority. You are also able to ascertain what you want in life. Remember that the mind has countless thoughts at every given time. Writing down is a step to putting your goals into motion. When you write something down, your mind is fully engaged with what you want to achieve. So, how do you manifest your desire? By writing it down. Begin by having a clear intention. Your motivation towards anything matters. The result will always be determined by the quality of your intent. Your intention should always be for the good of all and harm of none. For example, Jealousy can prompt a desire, while it's a healthy emotion that tells you what you wish for when motivated by comparison or competition. The results are likely to affect you negatively. In addition to this, you are required to be very specific about what you want. Get into the nitty-gritty and put it all down. The more precise, the better. Most of us struggle in clearly articulating our desires. I like to think of it this way. What if God, the universe, the source, or whomever you believe in appeared to you and asked, "What do you desire?" What would be your honest answer? At least 80% of us will give a vague answer. For example, if you are a man manifesting a romantic partner, get a little specific with the qualities you would like in that person. Mantra chanting is a critical part of manifestation. Creating affirmations in the present tense tricks your brain into perceiving yourself as already living or having what you want. Daily repetitions of these affirmations are necessary whether or not you believe them to be true. Think of this as brainwashing your mind into what you want to be. Also, repeating the mantras out loud is highly encouraged. Silently repeating mantras will also give results, but chanting them loudly is believed to activate the vibration. Whatever your preference, reciting mantras is a good way to attune yourself and the universe to your desires. For example, repeating a mantra like "I am living an abundant life" tells your brain that your desire is already in existence. In this state, you are in alignment and ready to receive from the universe. As your vibration frequencies increase, your desire buyer will gradually find its way to you. Visualizing is all about getting your mind and body ready for the success of your desire. It's a mental picture of your intended outcome in a situation. When you visualize success, you can create a positive mindset and boost your self-confidence. Visualization creates a "I can do it" mentality, therefore the ability to do what is necessary for your goal to be successful. At times, the fear of failure can be crippling. Visualizing how your life would look if you did what you are scared of doing comes a long way. For some, a vision board will work better, as you have a visual representation of all your desires to look at every day and see yourself achieve them. As you visualize your goals, you can anticipate the obstacles and what you can do to succeed. Imagining the fulfillment of your desires over and over again, and what did it make you feel, will trigger the subconscious mind into focusing on the desired results. How your desires come to fruition is up to the universe. It's human to expect things to happen in a certain way. However, attachment to the outcome may result in anxiety and stress. Surrendering to the will of the universe will help gain peace with the outcome. Some goals may or may not be achieved per your deadlines. Some will be effortless, while some will require your input, and results might slightly or entirely differ from what you envisioned. Instead, practice gratitude as you wait. Gratitude will unlock the flow of abundance and increase your vibration frequencies. Getting into a habit of practicing gratitude also helps us shift into a positive mindset. As you are grateful for what you are yet to receive, you attune yourself to vibrating in harmony with your desires. Keep tracking your progress. Check your list to see what you have attained, what needs a different approach, and what is misaligned. Most times we need to revisit that list to remind ourselves of our desires. When we manifest, we speak into what is yet to come. However, it's one thing to have a desire, but a different thing to have it written down. You are highly likely to achieve a written goal. That's the magic in writing down your manifestations.